Hi, my name's Scott. Today we're showing you this multi-port switch for Nintendo Switch. It's a card reader, and you can switch between 1, 2, 3, and 4 games by pressing a button. This is what it looks like. And what you would do is you would place all of your games in here. Now put your games on the top if you want to use them, and the bottom ones are just to store extra. So you can have 2, 4, 6, 8 games in here. This is going to go in your Nintendo Switch game slot. So that just goes right in the game slot. And then you're going to connect your Type-C right in here to a Type-C port. And then all you have to do is just press this button on the top here to switch between games. No more pulling games out and none of that nonsense. Okay guys, so how this is going to work is you're going to connect it right in here. And then you're going to want the Type-C cable. We have it connected to our Switch hub, but any power supply will do it. And how this works is very simple. Let's go ahead and turn this on here. Let's see, where's this power? Okay, so we can go back, and now how this is going to work is when you want to switch a game, you press the button. And then it's going to show, as you can see here, we pressed it. We'll press it again. It switches all the games that we have connected. As you can see here. Press the button. And it just goes through all the games that we placed in here, which we have 4 games in here. And it just goes through them all. And then when you want to play a game, you're ready to go. And there you go. It's that simple. It works great. It's excellent.